Maintenance processes and policies. Just like a house without a good foundation will collapse, so too will your maintenance software implementation without the proper processes and policies to support it. These resources can range from small, like a standard process for handling work orders, to large, such as creating an asset management policy or a formal preventive maintenance program. When you lay out clearly defined roles, expectations, and standard processes for approvals, purchasing, and other tasks, it is more likely that maintenance software can be used the way it was intended.